Hey everybody, it's your boy Richie, and today we're talking about something truly amazing, Moringa. You might know it as the miracle tree, and trust me, it lives up to the name. We're diving deep into 20 incredible health benefits of Moringa. So, if you're ready to unlock a healthier, happier you, stick around. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Moringa has been shown to have some serious blood sugar lowering powers. It also helps your body use insulin better. Insulin is like a key that unlocks your cells to let sugar in for energy. Moringa steps in to help your body use insulin more effectively, keeping your blood sugar levels balanced. It's like giving your body's natural sugar control system a super boost. Strong bones are crucial for a healthy and active life. And guess what? Moringa's got your back. It's bursting with calcium, vitamin K, magnesium, and zinc, all the essential nutrients your bones crave. We're talking about better bone density and reduced risk of fractures. Anemia is a common blood disorder, but Moringa can be a powerful ally in the fight against it. One of the leading causes of anemia is iron deficiency, and Moringa is jam-packed with this vital mineral. By incorporating Moringa into your diet, you're giving your body the iron boost it needs to maintain healthy blood flow. It's like giving your body a shot of energy from the inside out. A strong immune system is your body's best defense against infections and illnesses. Moringa is like a superhero in a plant, thanks to its potent army of antioxidants. These antioxidants fight off harmful free radicals, protecting your cells and keeping your immune system strong. Let's be honest, who doesn't want radiant, glowing skin? Moringa might just be the natural beauty secret you've been searching for. It's a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals that nourish your skin from the inside out. We're talking about vitamin C for collagen production and vitamin E to protect your skin from environmental damage. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and Moringa can be your digestive system's new best friend. It's like a natural digestive aid, promoting regularity and keeping things moving smoothly. Moringa is a good source of fiber, which adds bulk to your stool and helps prevent constipation. It also possesses antibacterial properties that can help combat harmful bacteria in your gut. Keeping your heart healthy is paramount, and Moringa can be a valuable ally in maintaining cardiovascular well-being. Regular consumption of Moringa can support your heart in multiple ways, making it an excellent addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Moringa helps lower cholesterol levels, promoting healthy blood flow and reducing the strain on your heart. By incorporating Moringa into your diet, you can help manage your cholesterol levels more effectively. High cholesterol can clog your arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. This can lead to serious conditions such as heart attacks or strokes. Moringa's natural properties can help prevent these issues. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your heart from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining the overall health of your cardiovascular system. These antioxidants work tirelessly to keep your heart cells healthy and functioning optimally. By reducing oxidative stress, Moringa ensures that your heart remains strong and resilient, supporting a long and healthy life. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your body. Moringa possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation. Moringa contains powerful antioxidants like quercetin and isothiocyanates, which reduce inflammation throughout the body. A healthy brain is essential for a sharp mind and overall well-being. Engaging in regular physical activities like hiking and jogging can significantly boost your mental health. Moringa can be a valuable ally in supporting cognitive function. This plant is not just any ordinary green, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. This incredible plant is packed with nutrients that nourish your brain and keep it functioning at its best. Farmers around the world cultivate Moringa for its numerous health benefits. Moringa's antioxidant power protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining the integrity of brain cells. It also contains vital vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, which is known for its role in protecting brain cells from oxidative stress. Additionally, Moringa is rich in vitamin B6, which is crucial for brain health. Vitamin B6 helps in the production of neurotransmitters, essential for communication between brain cells. Our eyes are precious, and maintaining good vision is crucial for a high quality of life. Moringa, with its impressive nutritional profile, can be a valuable ally in supporting eye health. It contains vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision, and other powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Luscious, healthy hair is something many of us strive for, and Moringa might just be the natural hair care secret you've been searching for. It's packed with nutrients that can promote hair growth and improve the overall health of your mane. In today's world, we're constantly exposed to toxins from our environment, food, and lifestyle choices. Moringa can act as a natural detoxifier, helping to rid your body of harmful substances. Its high concentration of antioxidants helps neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from damage. The liver is a vital organ responsible for filtering toxins, digesting food, and producing essential proteins. Keeping your liver healthy is crucial for overall health, and Moringa can play a supportive role in maintaining liver function. Moringa's hepatoprotective properties help protect the liver from damage. It also helps reduce inflammation in the liver, beneficial for those with liver conditions. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall health, and Moringa can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. While it's not a magic weight loss solution, Moringa can support your efforts by boosting metabolism. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. Breathing is something we often take for granted, but when respiratory issues arise, it can significantly impact our quality of life. Moringa has traditionally been used to support respiratory health, and modern research is uncovering its potential benefits. Moringa may improve respiratory health by reducing inflammation in the airways. Its anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to its rich antioxidant content, can help soothe the airways and improve breathing. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter waste products from our blood, regulate blood pressure, and maintain electrolyte balance. Keeping our kidneys healthy is vital for overall well-being, and Moringa may offer supportive benefits. Moringa extracts may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, which are common factors contributing to kidney damage. Feeling sluggish and low on energy can make it challenging to power through the day. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy levels, Moringa might just be the answer. Unlike sugary energy drinks, Moringa provides sustained energy without the jitters. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to function optimally. Reproductive health is essential for both men and women, and Moringa has traditionally been used to support reproductive well-being. Preliminary studies suggest that Moringa may offer potential benefits. For men, Moringa may help improve both sperm count and motility. Our skin is our first line of defense against infection, and when we experience wounds, it's essential to promote healing and prevent infection. Moringa has traditionally been used topically to speed up wound healing. Its antibacterial properties inhibit the growth of certain bacteria that can infect wounds and delay healing. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become commonplace. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for our mental and physical well-being, and Moringa may offer potential benefits. Moringa's adaptogenic properties help the body adapt to stress and promote balance. So there you have it, folks. 20 astonishing health benefits of Moringa, the miracle tree. This incredible plant has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and nutritional value. From boosting your immune system and providing essential vitamins and minerals, to enhancing your skin health, promoting heart health, and supporting brain function, Moringa offers a wide range of benefits. Moringa is a true powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential amino acids. Incorporating Moringa into your diet is easy and delicious. You can add it to a variety of dishes to boost their nutritional content. You can find it in powder form, capsules, or even fresh leaves. Each form offers its own unique benefits and uses. Add it to smoothies, soups, stews, or even sprinkle it on salads for an extra health boost, or simply enjoy it as a tea. The possibilities are endless with Moringa. So why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself?